9. Explain with the help of ionic equation and dot diagram the formation of first part NaCl. Now NaCl forms an ionic compound in which sodium with configuration 281 loses one electron to form a positive ion, that is 2,8. The electron which is given by sodium is gained by chlorine so that chlorine becomes stable having electronic configuration 288. If we draw the electron dot structure, sodium has 1 electron, therefore 1 dot. Chlorine has 7 electron, that is why 7 dot. So after giving electrons, sodium will become positive, chlorine will become negative, and the bond formed will be ionic. Now come to second example, that is MgCl2. In MgCl2, magnesium 282. After losing 2 electron, it will become Mg plus 2, that is 28. These 2 electrons will be gained by chlorine, and chlorine 287. After gaining electron, it will become 288, that is 2Cl negative. And regarding the electron dot structure, magnesium has 2 valence electron, therefore 2 dots. Chlorine has 7 valence electron, therefore 7 dots. After giving 2 electrons to 2 chlorine atoms, magnesium will become Mg plus 2 and chlorine will become Cl negative, and bond form will be ionic. Now third example, calcium oxide. In calcium oxide, the configuration is 2882. After losing electron, it will become Ca positive 2, whose configuration is 288. The electron which is given by calcium, it is gained by oxygen, whose configuration is 26, and after gaining it becomes 28 and the charge will be minus 2. Now regarding Lewis dot structure, calcium has 2 electrons in the last shell, therefore 2 dots. Oxygen has 6 dots. Calcium will give 2 electrons to oxygen and become positive 2 and oxygen minus 2, and the bond will be CaO. Now come to next question. Question number 10. Compare sodium atom and sodium ion with atomic structure. Sodium atom 281, sodium ion 28. Electrical state, sodium neutral, sodium ion positively charged. Chemical action, sodium atom active, sodium ion inactive. Toxicity, sodium poisonous, sodium ion non-poisonous. Second part, chlorine atom and chloride ion. Chlorine atomic structure 287, chloride ion 288. Electrical state, chlorine atom neutral, chloride ion negatively charged. Chemical action, chlorine atom active, chloride ion inactive. Toxicity, chlorine atom non-poisonous and chloride ion poisonous. Question number 11. The electronic configuration of fluoride ion is the same as that of neon atom. What is the difference between the two? Fluoride ion is electronegative ion and neon atom is a noble gas. State which of the following are reduction reaction and which are oxidation. Now come to first example. First example is Zn plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 plus Pb. In this, Zn minus 2 electron to give Zn plus 2 is oxidation. Pb plus 2 electron to give Pb is reduction. Second part, Zn plus Cu positive 2 to give Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Zn minus 2 electron to give Zn plus 2 is oxidation. Cu plus 2 electron to give copper is reduction. Third example, Cl2 plus 2 Br negative to give Br2 plus 2 Cl negative. Cl2 plus 2 electron to give Cl negative is reduction. 2 Br negative minus 2 electron to give Br2 is oxidation. Fourth one, Sn plus 2 Hg positive 2 to give Sn plus 4 plus Hg2 plus 2. Sn plus 2 minus 2 electron to give Sn plus 4 is oxidation. 2Hg plus 2 plus 2 electron to give Hg is reduction. Fifth one, 2 Cu positive to give Cu plus Cu positive 2. 2 Cu positive plus 2 electron to give Cu is reduction. Cu minus 2 electron to give Cu positive 2 is oxidation. Now come to the last question. Potassium and chlorine reacts to form a compound on the basis of electronic concept. Explain oxidation. Potassium, after losing electron, it becomes K positive, that is oxidation. Chlorine, after gaining electron, becomes Cl negative, that is reduction. Name the oxidizing agent, chlorine, because it gains electron. Name the reducing agent, potassium, because it will lose electron. Thank you.